Hey yo, what's up guys? Karibuni ndani ya Mkenya Marekani. This is 𝐉𝐴𝐕𝐻𝐈𝐍. Tuko ndani. This is the platform that shows you life in America, how things are done. So like today I'm gonna be doing a car wash. Okay? I'll be doing a car wash. Hii gari ni chafu mbaya sana. Let me show you the outside so you see. Yeah? Hata ndani peke yake. Look, this car is dirty. Dirty mbaya sana. I'm gonna be doing a clean car wash. Yeah, this is before. This is before. You're gonna be seeing how I'm doing it. Okay, on a tire vile ni chafu. It's because I've not used this car for a long time. So let's do this. Let's go. I'm gonna be showing. I'm going here. This is where I'm gonna be doing the car wash. Okay, so let's do it. Aya, ndio hiyo process sasa. Gari ni 28 kuwasha, $28. We ati unlimited rabbit pass. Hebu acha tuone ni gani hiyo. Yeah, so naingia hapa. Hello.
Good morning, how are you?
Good morning.
Have you been here before?
No.
No? Well, welcome to Wet Rabbit.
Thank you.
These are the 3 different washes that we offer.
Okay.
Our basic clean, which is soap, water, and a smile. Gets the job done though.
Okay.
That's 11. And then our step up, which is the protect for 14. It comes with the UV guard as well as or rain guard as well as UV protection.
Okay.
And then our best, which is the shine for 18. And it comes with everything those two does, as well as a wax, ceramic coating, and a tire shine.
Oh, then let's do that.
You want to do the shine?
Yeah.
18?
Yeah.
Okay. You're going to be paying with cash or card today?
I'm gonna do cash. I mean, no, card.
Alright. Would you like a receipt?
Yeah, sure.
Alright, give me 1 minute and I'll be right back.
Okay. We're just about to hit you have to pay first. There's $11, there's $14, there's $18. $18 is all around, but the interior you have to do it yourself. You have to do it yourself. So yeah, nimeshalipa gari. Acha nifunge dirisha, sitaki hiyo music iimbe hapa ndani. So I've paid, so I'm waiting for the receipt. You can pay cash or credit card or debit card. There is a difference. I'll come talk about sometimes credit card, which you have to build your credit card here in the US. So most of the time, these small things, you have to use your credit card so that it can accumulate more points. Okay, so let's see how it goes. So that's the tunnel we are going. That's the tunnel we are going. We have to. There's somebody there directing me. Yep. Okay. You have to put your car at neutral. Yeah. So yeah, you see, you have to put your car on neutral, then keep your paws off the pedal, okay, and then keep your paws off the wheel, and then wipers off. So basically, I'm just seated in the car. I'm not doing a thing. Seated here. The car is on neutral. So we'll see how it goes. Okay? Are you ready? Yeah. That's how it goes now. Haya, mvua ndio inanyesha sasa. Woo! Yeah. I brought one day I brought my daughter here. Yeah. She was shouting, man. She was like, "What's happening, Dad? What's happening?" Yeah, you can't even see a thing. Yeah, so guys, wamemaliza kuweka omo with power foam. Yeah, it's so noisy in here. So normally in Nairobi I used to wash my car with 100 shillings. Yeah, 100 shillings pekee. Here you wash with $18. It's not even between $18 and $11. There's no big difference. So hapo gari inakamuliwa sasa. Inakamuliwa kamua leo. You see? All this is just water from up here, and then there is now the blowers. So by the time you're done here, your car is already ready to drive. Yeah, but Kenya is really ahead, by the way. Kenya is so much ahead because there used to be like 2 of these type of car wash. One was in the city center right next to I think opposite K1 or something. Then there is another one which was called Gecko on off Ngong Road. So you have to wait for these lights, you know those lights, everything here you have to, then it's go now. So it tells me to go, so I have to go here. So you have to go here now to do some vacuuming and all that good stuff. So yep, so I'm here. So we want to vacuum inside, so let's do this. So it's gonna take some few minutes. Yeah, this car is truly dirty. Outside I'm sure it's clean. Let's see how the outside looks like. You can tell me if it's clean. Yep, yeah, it looks sparkling clean now. I'm Kenya Daima. So I'm gonna do the vacuuming real quick. So guys, we are done washing that car. I'm telling you, you pay $18, but then you do a lot by yourself. Like you have to vacuum the car by yourself. You really have to do a lot. Here in America, most of the things you do it by yourself. So the outsides, I have some stuff I can apply, like so that the black cars sometimes they need something like wax and all that stuff. So, and then also the tires, because they say they will wipe the tires, but they don't do it like they don't do it thoroughly. So anyway, some of the challenges here, mimi napenda ule mkisi mwenye na Masai mwenye alikuwa ananioshea gari mpaka ndani huko ndani kabisa, Hapa hivi unalipa $18, sometimes it depends. Some places is even more expensive. Yeah, and then you have to, some places you even have to pay for the vacuum separately. Yeah, kila kitu ndogo ndogo lazima ulipie. So anyway, this is a new place, so they are trying to entice people, but still you do a lot by yourself. So mkono yangu hata imefreeze, nje kuna baridi bwana. So we are done for that. Ndani huku hivi ni wewe ujipanguzie, huku hivi ni wewe ujipanguzie kila kitu. You have to wipe your own car by yourself. So but anyway, life in America, you have to get used to it. Yeah, you have to do a lot of things by yourself. So tumemaliza hiyo shughuli, gari ni safi sasa, isipokuwa hata kunanyesha. Nobody cares, by the way, nobody cares here. Yeah? If you wash your car, it's just for you. Nobody cares. Ati umekuja na gari chafu sijui ni, nobody cares. Nobody even looks at the car you're driving. Nobody cares. So it's up to you. You do it for yourself. Yeah, like you can decide I can stay for 3 months, 4 months, 6 months without washing. So it's up to you. It's all up to you. So we're done. Guys, give this video a thumbs up. Ndani ya Mkenya Marekani, alafu tujue inakuwa vipi. So cheers, see you next time. Make sure you subscribe, click that bell. Tuendelee kuchapiana kama kawaida ndani ya Mkenya Marekani. Cheers, God bless you. Maybe guys, you should see the difference of the car. Now it's absolutely clean. Hakuna matawi sasa. Matawi imetoka yote. Yep. Gari imekuwa safi sasa ndani. Lazima ujipanguzie kila kitu. Ukitaka kupanguza these sides, they don't wash, it's up to you. So but now I don't have time to do all that because it's raining. So moja kwa moja shughuli bana. Tuonane majaliwa next time. Tujue inakuwa vipi ama aje. Haya, safi.